Why I am obsessed in budgeting? Bakit paulit-ulit po ang video natin tungkol po sa pagbabudget? So, because if I don't budget, I will be financially stressed. Yung sinusolusyonan ko na yung ayaw na ayaw kong mangyari later or in the future. So, have you ever considered the consequences of not budgeting? If not, now is the time. So, if you are interested, please keep on watching. When it comes to personal finance, marami pong negative outcomes na mararanasan sa hindi po pagbabudget. And the longer you take to implement a budget, the more painful these consequences can become. So, ano-ano ang mga consequences of not budgeting? Unang-una po sa lahat, if you're not budgeting, malamang sa malamang labis-labis po ang ating paggastos. Na hindi mo na napapansin na sobra-sobra na ang inyong expenses than your income or yung kinikita mo. At dahil dyan, nahihirapan ka to achieve your financial goals. So, one of the most important things you can do if you want to achieve your financial goals is create a plan of attack. Create a budget. Number 2 is more debt. Loan dito, loan doon. So, lahat ng alam mong pag-utangan, inuutangan mo. Wala pang akinse, ubus na agad ang sweldo. Kaya ang ending, napipilitang manghiram kung kani-kanino. Ni hindi man lang dumadaan ang sweldo sa palad, napupunta na agad sa pambayad ng utang. Diba? It sucks. I can tell you from personal experience na mahirap po talaga ang ganito, na halos ang inyong kinikita ay napupunta lahat sa inyong pinagkakautangan unless kung hindi ka po talaga marunong magbayad ng inyong utang. Mas grabe po yun. But here's the thing, when you don't live on a budget, you lose the constant reminder of how harmful ang utang sa inyong financial life, which makes you more likely to go into more debt. The more debt you take on, the more you reduce your net worth. Alam naman natin na ang net worth is kung magkano po yung kinikita mo sa isang buwan, i-less mo lahat po yung mga pinagkakautangan mo, and yan na po ang inyong net worth. So, hindi po mahalaga sa atin kung magkano ang kinikita mo, gaano man kalaki yan or kaliit. Ang importante is your net worth. So, if your net worth is negative, syempre, dyan ka na po mag-alala sa inyong financial life. So, we really need to budget to avoid this consequence. Number 3 po is lack of savings. When you don't know your exact monthly income or your total monthly expenses, it's much more difficult na mag-ipon. Bakit? Because without a budget, the amount of money you save each month depends on how much you spend. According nga kay Charles Duff, it's not your salary that makes you rich. It's your spending habit. For example, ang kinikita mo for a month is 20,000 and you want to save 5,000 of that, then all you need to do is figure out kung paano ka mabubuhay sa iwang kita mo. That is 15,000. And that's where your budget shines. So, the best part about operating your finances like this is that you can save your desired amount the moment na na-receive mo ang inyong salary or paycheck. This is often called the pay yourself first method of personal finance, and it is the best way to build savings because it places a higher priority sa pag-iipon than spending, but it requires a budget. It really requires budgeting. Number 4, without budgeting, ito po ang consequence. More stress. Personal experience, naranasan ko na po ito na nagsasabay yung mga bayarin sa utang, iba pa yung bayarin sa mga bills, iba pa yung mga yung panggastos mo araw-araw. So kapag nagsabay-sabay ang mga to, 'di ba? Para kang sasabog na kung iisipin is saan ka kukuha ng pangbayad mo sa mga iba't ibang mga bills or bayaran mo, 'di ba? Kaya po kailangan din natin mag-budget para maiwasan na natin ang mga financial stress para magkaroon din ng direction ang ating mga kinikita. Marami pa po kasi akong naririnig na nagrarason na kung bakit hindi po sila nagbabudget is bata pa daw naman sila or you only live once. But you know guys, always look at the consequences kapag gagawin mo ang isang bagay. Gaya lamang nito, if gagastusin ko ba yung pambayad ng upa, anong mangyayari pag due date? If magta-travel ba ako now, hindi ba maapektuhan ang iba kong budget? Pag gagastusin mo ba yung pang-offering mo na tinabi mo, what will happen? Who knows guys? If you buy appliances now, does it not affect your budget? Baka mamaya wala ka na palang pamasahe. Kain sa labas now, pero yung utang hindi pa pala bayad. So, yan lang po ang ating video for today. Once again, this is Eving Get Grace saying sharing is caring. Bye! See you!